These are some worked examples, video walkthrough for MathsCounts. It's the 1999 to 2000 paper, school competition, and it's the sprint round. There are 30 questions. You've got 40 minutes in total to calculate them in, but for a practice, then take as long as you need. What I'm really keen that you do is answer as many of these questions as possible and give them time. You're not allowed to use a calculator, a slide rule, if you've got any idea what that is. It's something that could well have been around in 2000, but wasn't very common. You can't use books or any other aids, so no rulers, no compasses, no protractors. You can make calculations, but those are the key things. So no calculator, but you can use paper to write things down on. We're going to start with question 1. What is the smallest number of coins needed to make 47 cents? American coins, there are 4 different coins. There is a 1-cent piece, a 5-cent piece, a 10-cent piece, and a 25-cent piece. They're called the penny, the nickel, the dime, and the quarter. There's an R in there, isn't it? Quarter. These are the possibilities. Now, we need to make 47 cents. And I need the smallest number of coins. So I'm going to start by adding 25. I'm going to see then how, so 25 is less than 47. I then add a dime, 10. We're now on to 35. I've still got room to add another dime, which makes it 45. 25 plus 10 plus 10 is now 45. I then need 2 pennies, exactly. 46 and 1 is 47. And it asks for how many coins. Therefore, we need 5 coins. And that's the answer.